Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. When you guys are seeing it, it is Friday, October the 8th of 2021. I'm coming at you guys with an awesome Walmart deals video. We have 11 super hot freebies available right now at Walmart that I can't wait to grab today and share with you guys. So with that being said, these deals are also going to really help us hit our Ibotta bonuses, which is awesome. A printable breakdown will be available in the description with all the deals typed out to your reference. And yeah, that's kind of all I got to say. So let's just dive right in with these awesome Walmart deals. So the first deal I'm going to do is on the Halls cough drops, which, man, these are getting wiped clean around here. But these are $1.78 each. We have these awesome coupons for $1.50 off when you buy one. They're still available in the description box. I can't even believe these are still around. But with these coupons, you're going to get these for just 28 cents a bag. And I actually have 4 coupons. I'm also going to print them from 2 different devices. It's a limit of like 2 per device. So I'm going to grab 2 of these and a lemon, and maybe I'll try one of these Soothe kinds. I don't really know. But anyway, for 28 cents, like, you really can't go wrong. So great deal to start out our trip. The next one I'm going to get is on these Vaseline Lip Therapy. Kind of nice to get chapstick. We don't get deals on it too much. These are 97 cents a piece, and we have an Ibotta for 50 cents back right now if you buy any 2. So after that rebate, it drops it to 73 cents each. Pretty good deal, and it'll count towards all of our bonuses. So a sweet deal on the Vaseline, if I can get the products to line up straight. Next up, we have a really awesome moneymaker, like a huge moneymaker on these Tresemme products. So for this deal, you're going to buy one of the little Tresemme trial size shampoos or conditioners that are 97 cents. And with that, you're also going to pair in these Tresemme stylers. I think my family prefers hairspray, so that's what I'm going to do. But either one, there's mousse and hairspray, so really great. We're going to buy one of each. So this is 97 cents and this is $1.97. Shopkick currently has a rebate to get $4.40 back when you buy a shampoo or conditioner and a styler. It doesn't matter that they're trial size. It literally just says Tresemme styling product, Tresemme shampoo or conditioner. It doesn't matter the size. So we can get the smaller size and it is valid for the deal, which is why I love Shopkick so much. So you're getting back $4.40, and it actually is going to make this totally free plus a $1.45 moneymaker, which is huge. Like, such a great deal on these products. So I'm super excited to grab this one today. Great deal. Great moneymaker to go towards your other products. I'm actually really excited about this deal on the Clorox. So we're going to grab one of the Clorox splashless bleaches that are $2.48. And with that, we're going to pair one of these little trial size Clorox wipes that are just 97 cents. So these are over in the trial section. I just thought for video's sake, I'd show you everything all together. So grab one of the bleach at $2.48, one of the wipes at 97 cents. Shopkick has a really good bundle deal between the buy and the skin kicks. If you buy one of the Clorox splashless bleach and one of the Clorox disinfecting wipes, you'll get back $3.42. So it's literally going to drop these down to 3 cents for both. Or what is that, like a penny and a half each? Like, come on, you really can't complain. Like, that is a great deal. I'm really excited for this one. So cheap Clorox for the win. Just a heads up, by the way, for the Clorox, the scan kicks, we're not working on these, which is really bizarre because this is literally what it says. So I had to scan some. I went through and scanned like the bleach. It worked on this one, which is weird, but this is clearly, this is the kind that it's for. And then same with the wipes, it's not scanning, so I have to go find a different canister and scan. But just because the scan kicks don't work doesn't mean that the offer's not valid. We go for the words of the offer and not the skin kicks, because this literally is the thing pictured and it's not working. Sometimes Shopkick is just glitchy like that, but when you do the buy it kicks, you should have no problem with it just running through because these are the correct products per the offer details. Okay, I'm going to do this awesome Airwick deal again. I'm going to buy 2 of the Airwick warmers. These are $1.47 each over here at Walmart. And we have a printable coupon right now for $1.75 off of any Airwick warmer. This is $1.47. So with that coupon, you're actually going to make 28 cents overage for each of these, which is absolutely insane. Like, you cannot complain. That's going to help cover your other products, and really an awesome deal. Also, I'm going to pair in with it one of the Airwick starter kits. These are $2.97. Airwick on their website, they lowered it. We had a $1.50 coupon earlier this week. It's now just worth $1, which is kind of a bummer, but still a good deal. So you can use that coupon. going to pay 97 cents, or I'm sorry, $1.97, and I'll get $1 back on Ibotta, making it 97 cents. Any printable coupons that I have mentioned will be available in the description box below for you to print. Remember that it does very much help me out when you guys print coupons, and it allows me to keep on bringing you these videos. So please consider that, along with grabbing the new printable coupons of the week. Those are linked in the description for you. All right, back to the deals. All right, guys, we have a really good deal on Oscar Mayer lunch meat products, if I can find the right ones in stock, because there's like a big shortage here. But for this deal, I want to thank Sisters Saving You Cents over here on YouTube. They do awesome videos. I saw this over on their video, so be sure to check them out. But this deal, you're going to buy one of these Oscar Mayer Deli Fresh lunch meats that are $3.88. Also going to buy one of the Oscar Mayer turkey bacons that are $3.28. You're just going to grab one of the Oscar Mayer wiener hot dogs here that are $2.24. So let's do the breakdown. Just a quick recap. That turkey bacon is $3.28, the lunch meat is $3.88, and the Oscar Mayer wieners are $2.24. We have a 50-cent Ibotta rebate for any Deli Fresh lunch meat. And I do believe the Sister Saving You Cents, I believe they found this for a little bit cheaper in their store, so keep that in mind. There's also a rebate on Ibotta for 50 cents back on the turkey bacon. Then Shopkick has a bundle. If you buy all three of these products, you'll receive back $4.58 between the buy it and the skin kicks. So after that, it literally makes it $3.82 for all of these. Or like, what is that? Like $1.33 or something a piece? Oh my gosh, that's an insane deal for these products, all these products. Like, it's cheaper than just getting one of the lunch meats. So I'm so excited. That's such a great deal, a great food deal, and excited to take advantage today. And hopefully you guys can score it as well. Hopefully your lunch meat's a little bit cheaper like theirs was, but awesome deal regardless. I'm kind of bummed on this deal because they don't have my favorite kind, which are the smaller, the chewy caramels. They only have the soft, but it's all good. This is such a great deal. I'm totally down. These are $2.18 each over at Walmart. Swagbucks has a super amazing rebate for $4 back when you purchase any two Werther's Original. Any two. Plus, at least on my Swagbucks, I have a 2-cent rebate for any receipt I submit. So totaled, I'm going to pay $4.36. I'm going to get back $4.02. What does that make these? Like 16 cents or 17 cents each. 17 cents each for these Werther's caramels. And these things, the chewies are my favorite, but the soft caramels are good too. Just a friendly reminder, if you guys haven't already signed up for any of the rebate apps, Ibotta, Swagbucks, Fetch Rewards, Inbox Dollars, any of those rebate apps, totally consider hopping on those. I have all my referral codes in the description if you haven't already signed up. If you have, kudos to you. You are ready to start saving. So remember, those are in the description box. All right, let's go into the next deal. We have a really good deal on the McCafe coffee here. Do not want decaf, so let me make sure I get the right one. Might be shoved in here somewhere. Voila, tried to hide it from us. I need a regular one. This is $5.52 for the McCafe coffee or McCafe or whatever. I'm not a coffee drinker, so I don't care. But this is $5.52 over here at Walmart. We have a rebate on Shopkick for $4 back when you purchase one. And we have a rebate on Ibotta for 75 cents back on one. So that makes this like 77 cents? No, 87 cents, which is awesome. But then there is a bonus I have on my account. I did this on my last haul, so I have a bonus for 50 cents back on if I do it again. So it literally drops this down to 27 cents. 27 cents. That's an amazing deal. I know there'll be people in my family who like that, so great price. All right, guys, we have an amazing deal on the Breyers products. The Breyers cookies and cream ice cream and the Klondike ice cream sandwiches. Grab one of each. The ice cream's $3.88 and the cookies and cream sandwiches are $3.27. Remember, it has to be the cookies and cream variety. Shopkick has a deal for like $4.84 back when you buy both between buy it and skin kicks. So it literally drives the cost of these down to $2.31 for both, or like $1.15, 16 each. That is absolutely insane. Crazy. So great deal. Eat it in moderation for me, because Lord knows I don't eat a bunch of ice cream, but for that price, come on, I can't pass it up. I'm also just going to do this quick little easy deal on the Butterfinger bar. This is 88 cents over here at Walmart. I have a rebate on Ibotta for 25 cents back. This makes it 63 cents, a pretty cheap one to go towards the bonus, and yeah, it is what it is. So good deal. So yeah, that's all that I have for my in-store deals haul over here at Walmart. I do hope you guys did enjoy this. Be sure to come back tomorrow, Saturday, 8 a.m. Eastern. You guys will see me finish up my Ibotta bonus haul over at Kroger. I'll show you everything that I grabbed over there. I got several rebates in today to hit that bonus. I'll just finish up over at Kroger with the remaining ones I need to hit my weekend warrior. So yeah, that's all I got for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.